Today we're diving into the world of Bitmoji on Snapchat. I'll show you how to change your Bitmoji's gender, face, style and outfit. So let's get started. First off, let's change your Bitmoji's gender. Open Snapchat. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Tap on your Bitmoji. Click on Edit Avatar. Select the gender you'd like by simply choosing the hairstyles and all the main stuff that makes you look like a woman or a man. By doing that, or you can also simply go to settings and Bitmoji, and here you can find a change gender option. Simply tap on it and that's it. You've successfully updated your Bitmoji's gender, face, style and outfit. You can simply go to here to choose an outfit that looks like a man's gender or a woman's gender. You can choose whichever you prefer. There are lots of options, so that's how you can select an outfit and select hairstyles, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully updated your Bitmojis. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.